bistro.
What we like to call food for thought.
Hi, welcome again to another episode of Together Bistro.
Outside.
From the outside, yes. We adventure because the weather here in Austin is most of the time amazing. Mm-hmm. And yeah, so we went outside and then outside of our comfort zone as well. So what do we have?
We have
better microphones.
Chicken tandoori, better microphones. Chicken tandoori that we grill outside.
Yeah, so we're going to show you how the process of marination is so important to the taste of the chicken. And we're also going to show you how we grilled it and give you options if you want to use the oven, or you can actually cook it in an Instapot, pressure cooker. I mean, we can make this dish. Is very what do you call it? Versatile. Yes. So you want to try?
Yeah.
All right. It is spicy, so it might be a little spicy for you.
Well.
You want me to take that? Are you going for it?
Yeah, I'm going for it.
Oh wow. This is amazing. You know what it reminds me of? Pollo a la brasa from Peru. Mm-hmm. You know the brasserie chicken, I think it's called?
So good. It really is good. You can taste all the spices that we mixed yesterday.
The lime, I actually tasted lime. Yummy. And we serve it with some yogurt, dairy-free. This is all dairy-free, but this is coconut yogurt, and then we have some mango ginger chutney.
Chutney. I like that word.
That should be my middle name. Good stuff. Well done. And we're going to introduce a book as well.
So this book, just like we push ourselves out of our comfort zone with this dish, we had never made, and we had never made it in the grill, obviously. The book...
That's the brightest thing you said all day.
I know. So there is a first time for everything we've done here, which is my point. And the book really asks you to push yourself out of your comfort zone as a parent.
Yeah.
Even though the book says very logical and very...
almost obvious.
Yeah, obvious. That's the word I was looking for.
Good. I have a lot of words for you whenever you need
to. Good. So, push yourself out of your comfort zone with this dish, with the book.
With your kids, if you have kids, or your partner, if you have a loved one.
And now we'll share with you how to make this and enjoy time with your partner. You have to love pushing yourself out of your comfort zone.
And being patient, because it takes 24 hours to marinate.
You have to love to be patient, which are good attributes anyway for a great relationship.
All right. Good job. How do you say thank you in one of the Indian languages? The book that has inspired us to make this dish today is The Awakened Family by Dr. Shefali. If you haven't read it, it's probably the most transformative book we've ever read, and everyone who has read it says the same thing. And every single one. Yeah, I mean it's incredible because it has a different approach to parenting. The approach is that you are not raising children, but you're raising yourself. So listen to that. Again, you're not raising children, but you're actually raising yourself. How crazy is that?
The hard work of being a parent is not that the kids change. I was setting you up. Is that you don't change enough.
Nice. So we're gonna make this chicken change slowly over the next 24 hours.
Yeah. Chicken what?
Tandoori. Mm-hmm. And the marinating part of it is the most important part. So we made that connection when it comes to, marinating your own way of being, not even of being a parent, but being, so that you can be the best parent to your kids.
What do we tell the kids is the missing ingredient or the special ingredient in everything that we do?
Love.
Love.
Okay, so we're gonna start with our first marinade. And for that, we need our ginger garlic paste, which I'm gonna show you how to make in 1 second. And we need 2 tablespoons. Mixing the second marinade. This one is yogurt. We're using dairy-free yogurt.
I love yogurt.
You can use Greek yogurt if you can do dairy. We're using a coconut replacement.
So what is the biggest influence the book and the author have had on the way you relate to the kids, you think?
I think it has to do with realizing that it's not really about them, but it's about me. I know it sounds like simple, and it probably is a very simple concept, but it's not easy. So this is a chicken marinated, almost 20 hours. Yum, yum, yum. Ready to go on the grill, baby.
But traditionally it's done in the oven. We are doing it outside. We are smoking the heck out of this chicken.
Okay, so this has been in there for what, 20 minutes?
20 minutes, yeah?
Yeah, I would say 15, but you say 20. Wow, look how cool.
Look at that.
Look at this beauty.
Huh?
We're innovating, but I think our
That
innovation
looks very good, huh?
has paid off.
Look at this piece of chicken. That looks so good.
That's what he said.
So good. Look at that.
Arr.